everybody. Hush up. Listen up, y'all. The Texas OU Chili Cookoff champion is from Norman, Oklahoma. No. Waco, Texas. Tulsa? Nope. Austin? He's Dallas's favorite caterer. I think he's kind of cute. The last Roundup Rolling Grill chef, Drayton Sawyer! This year, Drayton, you've got to tell the secret of that fabulously tasty chili.
No secret. It's the meat. Don't skimp on the meat. I got a real good eye for prime meat. Runs in the family. Whoop, whoop. It's one of those hard-shell peppercorns. I gotta say, I love this town. This town loves prime meat.
So there's the big story. Texas clobbers Oklahoma in chili. This is Stretch, your fearless reporter, live from Dallas.